Hello twisties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet or make edges for this cute little hanky. For that I have taken 10 number of hook. I guess it is visible for you. And this cute little hanky. With that I have taken anchor thread pink and white, and I will be taking this both together so it combines well with my hanky. Now let's start. For that you have to make 2 chains. Insert your hook inside, pull your yarn over, now we'll be doing 1 single crochet, chain 1, chain 2. Now again we'll be doing the same process again. Look, I have done this much. For the chain 2 we have some kind of space so that we can make more designs in that for the second round, or else you can keep it like that as well. For the corners I have made 2 single crochet in the same space so that we have the corner proper visible. And when you are done, cut your yarn. Make sure it's quite small so that you can easily weave inside it. I don't prefer the long threads as it's quite difficult to weave inside them. Tighten your knot and you're ready to go. You can see how clear the corners are, and the design is visible as well. Hope it was easy for you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.